In this video, we'll walk through how to customize your app settings on the TeleCloud Mobile Pro app for iOS. You'll learn how to manage sound, call handling, network preferences, and voicemail settings. In the mobile app, to open settings, tap the gear icon in the top right corner. By clicking on Account Setup, you can view your username and password. Then, in Preferences, you'll see a variety of options. First, you can customize your ringtones for incoming calls, SMS messages, and on-screen text tones during calls. To the right, tap each sound option to preview and select your preferred tone. Next, you'll find Sound Settings. Here, you can adjust the different call volume level settings. We recommend keeping these at their default settings unless you need to boost call volume or change playback preferences. You can also enable call recording directly within the app. However, if call recording is already enabled in your TeleCloud Portal, there's no need to turn it on here. You'll also see an option for call forwarding. Tap Enable to select a forwarding destination or assign a shortcut button for quick activation. However, it's best to manage call forwarding through your TeleCloud Portal or answering rules, rather than from the app. Forwarding directly from Mobile Pro can cause routing conflicts, especially when forwarding to personal cell numbers. In Network Settings, you can choose how the app connects for calls. Prefer Wi-Fi, which is the recommended default, is best for locations with a strong Wi-Fi connection. Prefer Mobile Data is useful in areas where Wi-Fi is weak or unstable. You'll also see an option for Network Change Strategy, which we recommend leaving as if needed. Then, in Controls, you can activate headset buttons, enable the globe button icon to show caller destination, and adjust how the app reacts when receiving GSM calls, which are regular cellular calls made through your mobile carrier. By default, if you receive a GSM call while on a live VoIP call, your current call will automatically be placed on hold. You can change this behavior to do nothing or play a message, depending on your preference. Finally, if you use an Apple Watch, you can enable incoming call notifications for your watch by toggling the setting on or off. Next, you can create Do Not Disturb rules by tapping the plus button in the top right. This allows you to mute incoming calls during specific times or based on your work hours. You can also choose your contact list sort order by native order. First name, or last name, first name. Next, if needed for troubleshooting, you may need to enable traffic logs, but this is rarely required. For language settings, the app automatically defaults to your iPhone system language, but you can manually select English or Spanish if preferred. At the bottom, you'll find SSL exceptions, which will remain disabled unless directed by support. Now, to access user settings, tap the Pro menu at the bottom right corner of the app. Then select User Settings. Here, you can view or modify your outbound caller ID, your SMS number, if enabled, quick dials, and your answering rules, which match your settings in the TeleCloud Portal. Then scroll down to Manage Voicemail Settings. You can enable or disable voicemail, choose inbox message sorting, and set how messages behave after in-app playback. Under Greetings, you can tap the icon to record a new greeting or select from pre-recorded ones. Under Unified Messaging, you can opt to receive your voicemails right in your email inbox. You can also enable voicemail transcription, which converts voicemail messages into text for easier review. When done, tap Save. And that's it. You've learned how to customize your TeleCloud Mobile Pro iOS settings, so your app works exactly how you need it.